welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm creating this glam Indian festive look. Like this is how the look is and I'm really loving this look. And one more thing, I've used this palette from Beauty People and you should see how I got this amazing look with this palette. So yes, if you want to know how this palette works, what it is, then please continue watching, and also please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, that is pratibhapal706. the handle will be right here somewhere. And also please like this video if you actually like this, like the entire content. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've prepped up my skin. Okay, so we'll directly start with the primer today. Again, I'm using my Beauty People primer, and recently I've tried it and I really am liking it actually. It is a silicone based primer. The best thing about this primer is your skin feels really soft, it feels so soft, like baby soft, it feels really amazing. Okay, so primer is done. Now I'll use my full coverage foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation and this is in the shade 220. I really like this foundation. I'm taking a damped beauty blender, okay. Just dab it around nicely. Okay, so I'll start with the concealer. So I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer, okay, and this is in the shade 04. I'll not use much concealer, okay, because the foundation is a full coverage one. I'm just gonna use it on the inner corners, okay. And I have this brush which I use for blending my concealer, so I'll just use the same brush. Really love this brush, इतना अच्छे से ये blend कर देता है. I really like this brush. If you guys want, please comment down below. I'll give the link to this brushes as well. And also if you want, I'll create a separate video of this brushes. It's like a set of 12 brushes, I guess. I don't remember exact number, but mostly it's 12. It's really amazing. What I'll do is, before my concealer starts creasing, I'll use my Blue Heaven Sapphire powder and I'll just powder my under eye. Okay, so next for the eyebrows, I'm using my Miss Claire pencil, eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna fill it a little, okay. I'll use my Miniso 3D pencil, okay. I have this eyebrow powder here. I'll use that powder to just fill in a little, not too much. Yes. Taking this angle kind of a brush, and I'm using this brown shade, this one, and I'll be using it for bronzing my face. For blush, I'm using this SFR blush, okay, and this is how the shade looks like. It's like very pretty nude shade. I'll take my Swiss Beauty concealer again, okay, and I'll use it as my eye base. So I'll just blend it using the same brush okay, because this really blends my concealer really nicely. I really like this brush. I have one more palette which is quite similar to Nykaa and Makeup Revolution के काफ़ी shades है इसमें. So wait, let me show you the outer packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. This is Beauty People Peach Bellin eyeshadow palette, and it is, I really like how compact it is. Okay, I really like it. I'll take off this. Obviously a haul video of Beauty People is coming soon. I'm waiting for more products to come in because मैं एक ही साथ पूरा haul कर लूँ, अलग अलग videos ना बनाऊँ. So this is how the packaging is. The shades, like wait, brush आती है जो I don't think I'll be using much, but the shades are so amazing. They are really pretty shades. Okay, so what I'll do is I will take a fluffy brush and I'll go in with this brown shade, with this brown shade. It's like a very good brown, you know. I'll go with that brown shade and I'll just place the product. Okay, let's just swatch. I haven't swatched any shades. It looks quite pigmented. Oh wow, this will look very good as a bronze shade as well. Let's swatch the black one. Black is pigmented, but I feel it is a little on the chalky side, but the pigment is really amazing. Let's go with some shimmer shade. Okay, wait. Okay, this is very powdery. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, these shades are so pigmented. Like, can you see the shimmer shades are so good? So let me tell you, this shade right here is a little powdery, like it's too powdery to be honest, but I feel they will do the work really amazingly. Like the pigment, I'm actually very happy, and they are quite affordable. They are for 299 rupees only, and obviously this palette has a backstory for which you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the haul video. In the haul video, I'll be giving you a backstory of this palettes. So yes, without further ado, let's start with the eyes. So I'm gonna take the brown shade, okay, and I'll be placing it. Okay, I'll just place it. Ooh, nice. It is nicely pigmented. Okay, it is. I'll just drag it around, okay, so that it is not too sharp, you know. But this doesn't have any reddish kind of so yet I'll use this. This is like an orangey brown shade. Okay, I'll take that. It has little shimmer chunk, but when I swatched it, it doesn't look too shimmery to me. So I'll just blend the outer corners and make it a little smooth, you know. Go with the brown shade, okay, and I'll again place it, but now I'll be blending it, not just placing it in there. Looks good, you know, it looks really nice, and the shades are blending very nicely. Like, I'm really happy with this palettes for 299 rupees. I suppose these are amazing. Like, look how pigmented they are. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nice combination of this wine shade right here, and there is again a reddish shade. I'll take this combination, okay, and I'll I'll just mix them both, dust off the excess, and oh, it is very pigmented. Like, I don't know if you guys are able to see it. It is very, very pigmented. Wow. Like, one swipe of this is doing the job. And also one more thing, I've used brown, like I've used 2 to 3 shades, but I'm not able to see any fallouts right here under my eye, which is really amazing, you know. Like, there are no fallouts. That is what I love, because I love to do my base first and then the eyes. So I guess that is really amazing for someone like me, you know. Okay, black shade. Okay, I want to use it. I'll use the same brush which I used for my brown shade. I'll take very little of black, dust off the excess, and halka sa na I'll blend it out here on the outer corner. Okay, so I'll quickly finish my second eye. Okay, and I'll mostly do my lashes also off camera. So for lashes, I'll be using the Sivana Colors eyelashes. This is in number 13. So yes, I'll be using this. I'll quickly do my eyes off camera and I'll be back. I will go with the shade LG08. This is from Berompt. I really like this shade. Like, this is my all-time favorite shade. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you guys like this look, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and also put a thumbs up on this video if you really liked it, and please follow me on my Instagram account. Bye.